Hi everyone, welcome to Olive's Tree. I'm Mandy and I'm one of the 12 branches on my mum Olive's tree. I've got some capsicums in the fridge that became surplus. I accidentally double bought, and I've decided they're getting a bit, I know I'm not going to use them fresh, so I've decided to keep the best ones that I have going in the fridge, and I'm just putting a bit of olive oil on these ones, and I'm going to roast them in the Cosori and then peel them and put them in some oil, vinegar and garlic. So I'm going to pop them into the Cosori now. Let's just see. I hope this doesn't, hopefully this won't flash at you. So I'm going to put them on for 180, and I'm going to set the minutes to 15 just in so I can come back and give them a little turn over and a shake. Easy job. That's all you need to do. Okay, so that's our second 15 minutes. Let's have a look at these guys. I'm inclined to give them maybe a little longer, especially this big fellow. I can, that's so hot. Maybe give them like another 10. Oops, I'll pop that in. So let's stick to 180. Oh, sorry guys, I sprayed cleaner on there and I forgot to wipe it off. I know you don't mind. You do things like that too, I'm sure. Let's go, I reckon, just 7 minutes. Okay, so we've had them in for 37 minutes. What I'm going to do now is just shut this, turn it off and let it cool. That's it. We'll come back and peel them. Okay, these are sweated perfectly in the air fryer. So I'm just going to remove the skin. Comes off so easily. They're a bit warm still, so be careful. Doesn't matter if you've got a bit of green on your capsicums, yellow, green, orange, red. I love them all roasted. They all give such a lovely, different, unique flavour. Now I'm just going to pull out the seeds and I'm going to pop it straight into this jar. Oh gosh, that's hot. Just get my knife to get that bit. And as you can see, they're so easy to peel. These really are so delicious, and if you've never made them before, that's just a little baby one. We'll pop him in. If you've never done this before, it's really worthwhile. They're so expensive to buy already done, and they don't have the same flavour. And so I'm just going to get them into the jar. I'm going to put in clove of garlic cut in half, some red wine vinegar, and some olive oil, and that's it, and some salt. Okay, so I'll just lift that out. Get out. Oh, that's so hot. Oh. I don't care if a few seeds do get in there. It's not a big deal, but you don't want many. Sometimes they can be a little bit bitter. Or they're just not nice on the palate. Okay, so last little one. He's just going to peel nicely. If you've never done this before, I highly recommend it. Sometimes you go to your supermarket and you might see red peppers or mixed peppers on, a special, really great offer or special. It's really worthwhile. They'll keep for weeks in the fridge covered in olive oil and vinegar. You must cover them. They must be underneath the liquid, just as you would buy them from the store. Except these won't really just be relying on vinegar. They will be more olive oil. Okay, let's get that out. As I said, I don't care if there's a few seeds. It'll be fine. And I do like to keep a bit of that juice sometimes, but I won't do that today. So here's our jar. Just going to slice that garlic into, just rinse off my hands. I'm going to get some salt. They do need salt. I've got a little bit of red wine vinegar here. Even shot there, I think so. A little bit of, whoops, red wine vinegar. That's enough. And olive oil. Now I'm going to eat these and share them with my daughter, and we're going to consume these over the next day or two, so I'm not going to completely cover them with olive oil. Just going to get a good glug in there, and I won't throw this away. We'll use it for a salad dressing or something later on. So all we need is to give that a nice mix around. Enough salt. Pop that in your fridge. Have it on any pesto, have it on some nice ciabatta, some sourdough, some thick toast, you know, on a salad plate with some roast chicken or fish. Absolutely beautiful. Very quick one today, guys. Thanks for stopping by. Hope that you really enjoy these and give them a go, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care, everybody, and I hope the world is treating you all kindly.